can we run the air conditioning system immediately after cleaning the condensate drain line? After cleaning the drain line, verify the condensate actually exits to the outdoors and that the trap shows liquid inside, so air cannot siphon through and allow water to leak into the system. Check every fitting along the drain run for tightness and correct slope so water moves by gravity at about 1/4 inch per foot where possible, and will not pond in low spots. Inspect the drain pan for cracks and confirm the pan is level or pitched to the drain outlet. And if you used a wet vac to clear the line, let the line rest for a few minutes so any residual suction equalizes and debris cannot be pulled back into the coil area. Use a clear plastic tubing temporarily at the trap or roof vent to observe flow if the line is hidden, and flush with clean water until the runoff is clear so you know the obstruction is gone. Confirm the condensate trap remains full of water after flushing. A dry or missing trap lets refrigerant pressure or negative air pressure push water where it does not belong. Only after you have confirmed flow outside, a filled trap, secure fittings, and a clean pan should you restore power to the system. Common mistakes are turning the system on immediately and assuming the line is clear when only a small amount of water trickled out, which can leave a partial clog that will blow back into the coil when the blower starts. To avoid that, flush until the runoff is consistently clear and watch flow for a few minutes. Another issue is forgetting to check the trap or replacing it incorrectly, which can allow air or refrigerant into the drain and cause leaks. The fix is to inspect the trap visually and fill it with water before powering the unit. A third frequent concern is not verifying the drain pan condition so the pan overflows, despite a clear line. If the pan is cracked or blocked, repair or replace it, and ensure the pan drains freely before restarting. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for maintenance like drain, cleaning, and post-maintenance checks, and we help contractors connect with homeowners seeking that work. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and field experience on safe startup procedures and troubleshooting after service.